Okay, hello guys. Today in this video we're going to talk about a very special thing. This video is about the launching of handwritten study materials and short notes for CSIR-NET GATE JEST TIFR. Before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Science Rafi, and you can download our physics application from the Play Store. You can just simply scan this QR code and you will go to the Play Store link of our application. And you can also visit our website www.physicsaf.in for getting everything. The links are given in the description, you can check it out. Now without any further ado, let's just start. So basically I am providing you a complete package of handwritten short study material. Okay, previously I provided you short notes, but now I am providing you complete handwritten study materials. You see different combinations are available, and this is the longest combination. In this combination you will get the complete handwritten study materials plus CSIR-NET test series plus short notes. And let me tell you that these study materials will remain valid till June 2024. Means your 2023 December exam is coming, after that you will going for June 2024. So these things will remain valid till June 2024. For the time being, CSIR-NET test series you will get whatever we have uploaded for the December examination, and in future we will also add many tests here in this test series, and test series, short notes, everything will remain valid till June 2024. So it's a good opportunity. And let me tell you, these study materials are based on your CSIR-NET Physical Science syllabus. And you know, CSIR-NET Physical Science syllabus covers everything, so it is equally useful for GATE exam, JEST exam, TIFR. If you are applying for geophysics exam, you know, geophysics exam and this CSIR-NET exam syllabus are same, and for UPSC also it is useful, and for other physics related exams, because CSIR-NET is a complete package and all the other exams is just a sub part of it. So if you are preparing for CSIR-NET exams, so you are equally preparing for other exams as well. So here three things you will get: complete handwritten short study materials plus CSIR-NET test series and short notes. And let me tell you, all these things will remain valid till June 2024. And if you have already taken test series, you can only take this study material and short notes. Okay, and you can see here complete handwritten study materials plus test series. If you have already taken test series, then you can go for this handwritten study material and short notes. You have already taken short notes and test series, so you can only take complete handwritten study material. So different combinations are available, so don't worry, and all these things will remain valid till June 30, 2024. So almost 7 months of validity you are getting at a very reasonable price. And let me assure you the quality. This is actually my handwritten notes. So you know, these materials are written in a very effective way, very in a clear and precise manner. I will show you some demo material, don't worry. And if you think that you will not, you don't want to take all the 9 units, so 3 sectional study materials are also available. You can combiningly take mathematical methods, classical mechanics and electromagnetic theory, these 3 units together. And you can take quantum, thermostatistics and statistical mechanics and electronics. This is one. And you can also go for atomic, molecular, condensed, nuclear and particle, all these 3 units. So in this way, section wise also you can go for it. Now what are the special features about these study materials? I am not discussing about the test series, because we have already covered that test series features and all, and I think you are giving test series and you are getting benefit from them. So first of all, it is precise and clear handwriting, handwritten material for all subjects of CSIR-NET Physical Sciences. Let me tell you, it is not like that short notes. For short notes, you know, the writing is little bit not so good, but for this material, this will be, the handwritten is clear, like the fresh notes. Simple and to the point description of topics for easy and fast coverage of the entire syllabus. Okay. And you can also download the materials within the app. It means like once you download, you can access them without internet. You don't need to use internet every time. Once you download, then you can use it anytime, every time, everywhere without any internet also. Okay, that's the 4 point. Access anytime, anywhere, unlimited times till expiry. WhatsApp doubt clearing facility is also there. After purchasing, will be added to a WhatsApp group. There you can let me know your concerns and whatever things if you face any issues or anything, you can write to us, and you can also contact on this number for any kind of information. And you can always visit the website. The website is made in a very crystal clear, simple way. You will be able to understand everything very clearly. Now you see, this is a in the block form I am showing you. So 4 things you can go for: handwritten study materials only. You can see the price. Handwritten study materials plus short notes, handwritten study material plus test series, and all of them handwritten study materials, test series plus short notes. And let me tell you, special offer I am floating. You can use this code HSM, handwritten handwritten study material 15, HSM 15 to get 15% off, and this offer is valid only for 3 days. So it will remain valid till, this code will remain valid till December 10, 2023. So it's a great opportunity, guys. If you require, you can go for this material. And about the quality, I am giving you the assurance about the quality, because this note is my main note from my preparation days, and you know, we have covered it very well. Now let me tell you what are the things you will be getting in this study material. You can see I have just listed down whatever things as per the topic goes. You see, mathematical formula, vector algebra, vector calculus, matrices, differential equations, complex analysis, Laplace transform. You can go through it. These contents I have already uploaded in the course, and you can watch them or read them for free. Okay, here also you can see everything, the topics mentioned there is prepared according to the material. The way you will be getting the topics in the material, it is written in that way. Okay, so you can see, you can check, and this PDF you can also get it in the app and website for free. Okay, this is free download. Classical mechanics, you can see the topics. So it is completely based on the CSIR-NET syllabus. Whatever is there in the syllabus, CSIR-NET syllabus, it is covered there. Okay, and other exams will also get covered from this. And these are my personal handwritten notes, so don't worry about the accuracy. Accuracy is full, very well. And you can see all for other subject I have mentioned the topics covered in the notes. Whatever topics are mentioned here, the same topics you will get in the material. All the 9 units are covered here. You can see everything is covered. I am just quickly showing you, and you can get this PDF in the app and website. Don't worry about that. Okay, counter, detector, everything is there. So all the 9 units are there. Now let me show you some few pages which will give you an idea like what kind of material you can get. You can see it is written in a very clear handwriting. My handwriting is not so bad. Like this was my main note, so I tried to make it as fresh as possible. Okay, so you can see the notes are, what is the plus point of this note? Although if you read any standard book, you will definitely get more things, but remember one thing, less is more. Here for CSIR-NET, the syllabus is huge. If you prepare by yourself, if you make notes, then it will take like years to complete. I have put everything in a very precise way so that you understand everything in a very less time, and that will help you clear the exam. In this with this study materials, you will be able to cover your entire syllabus very fast, and you can go for practice, PIQs and everything. And for some special topic, some questions are also there, like topics like Green's function and some complicated topics. Some illustrated examples are also there. But for practice problems, I am giving you separately the test series. In test series, for the time being till December, you will be getting 765 questions, and in the upcoming days more sets of questions will be added. Maybe it will be doubled. Okay, and you can see everything is written in a crystal clear manner, and the main thing is to the point. You don't need to be confused. Like many topics are there, if you study from a book you will easily get confused, but here to the point things are written, so it will definitely help you. And you can see these notes are useful for PSC exams also. Andhra Pradesh PSC, AP PSC is coming, so for that exam this kind of note is very crucial. I'm showing you. So you can see Laplace equation, heat flow. You can see all these topics are generally not covered by many people. Students generally miss this, but here you will get those topics also because in my preparation days I had to cover my syllabus, right? So I had to read everything, and many teachers suggest you that you only cover 4 or 5 units, but I don't suggest you that. I suggest you to cover all the 9 units. Previously also I have suggested you this, now also I am suggesting, because the competition is rising, right? So if you are lacking from the preparation perspective, you will not be able to compete. So you have to like cover everything. See, Lorentz invariant, 4 vectors. So many important and complicated topics are given in a very precise and simplified way, so that you don't feel any problem. And this PDF also you can view from the application for free. Okay, so all the 9 units you will get one by one, and the details are written one by one in the website and in the application also, and you can purchase the materials from the website and application as well. And for any doubt you can message me on the given number. Okay, so you can see my handwriting is not that bad. Well, I am almost at the end of this video. Okay, so if you find it useful, you can give a thought, and let me show you the price structure. There is the content, table of contents, and this is a kind of price structure you can see. So as per your requirement you can go for it and use this code HSM15 for getting 15% off. This is the launch offer. This offer will expire in 3 days. By 10th December try to take. Okay, so this is all for this video guys. If you have any query, question, you can let me know in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching.